Okay, this is going to be day 30, I think, of me coding every single day until I become a software engineer. Thank gosh for all the comments. They're very encouraging. Yes, day 30. And yeah, we're continuing on. We are not necessarily going for the game idea I was going for before. I just noticed that I've never used Pygame before, and I think that it would be quite difficult for me to figure out how to make an entire platform in Pygame. So we are now instead going to be making Space Invaders. It's a well-known game, so it should be easier to make than an entire platformer with, light effects and stuff. And yeah, I think it'll just be easier that way. I did figure out why the window was not working in the last video. So apparently on Mac, you have to have an event like running, I guess, or being used for the window to show up. Unlike on Windows where you can, create the surface and, just run it. But apparently on Mac, you can't do that. So that's great. But yeah, I figured that out. And now I have a triangle on the screen that I can move back and forth. Now I need to shoot. But the problem I'm having is I am having to ask AI a lot of questions. So I don't know, man. I'm not sure if it's a good idea, if it's a bad idea to be asking AI for help on this. I've never written Pygame before, so I don't know. I mean, the bootcamp did say that I should just figure it out. Google it, ask ChatGPT. Yeah. So I'm not sure if there's anything wrong with this. I try and make it so it doesn't write too much code, but even with the prompt I have, it still writes code way too often, which is kind of annoying. So yeah, I'm not sure. If you guys have any advice in the comments, I would like to hear about it. But as of right now, I think that if the tool is there and it makes learning easier, I don't think that I should not do it or not use it at all. I think I should definitely use it. And I think there's a big difference between, asking the AI how to do something versus telling the AI to do something for you. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to find that balance. But it's been a slight struggle. So yeah, but enough yapping. I need to actually get to the code. So now we need to make a ship shoot. What we need to do next to make the ship shoot when I press spacebar. 1 second here. Okay, so the way I'm thinking we need to do this is to create some sort of square or particle or something, and then when put the particle like the top of the triangle, like right here, and when spacebar is pressed, the particle will appear. Then it will shoot. So I guess we need to. Should we make it a square? Should we make it a circle? I guess we should make it a circle. Make a circle in Pygame. I'm gonna replace all this later with like actual assets, I think. Yeah. See, like things like this, the AI overview on Google, like it just gives you the answer. So I don't know, at this point, I'm not sure it's any way away from AI. Surface, the color, center, the radius, and the width. That's all you need. Center, well, the center of ours would technically be screen height divided by 2, and that is not what I meant to do. I meant to do I, and screen width divided by 2, floor division. The radius is 20. Oh, line thickness, I don't think we need that. I'm not sure why red is like highlighted, as red is not defined. Oh, they made an actual red color, okay. Oh my god. 5500. There we go. That's a red circle. It's way too big though. Guess we need to set the radius. Set the radius down. Like 5 or something. Yeah, that's pretty good, to be honest with you. So now we have a circle on the screen. I think we need to set the center of the circle on top of the triangle, correct? So top of the triangle is at an X and Y right here. Is that all I need to do? Right. I really should know how to do this in Vim. Yeah, there we go. Now it's right on top of the triangle. Almost looks slightly off center, but I'm not sure why that is. So now we have a circle drawn. So we only want to draw when the player presses the space key. Then we will effectively do 10J. Do I suck at Vim, man? I really suck at Vim. DD. Okay, nothing is happening. Maybe because I'm not updating the display here. Still nothing's happening. Oh, you know what? Undo that. Top triangle's not set at this point. Yeah, we definitely need to do this. I think we need to do this after the triangle is drawn. There we go. Then we also need to persist. Okay, so we have a circle drawn, but we need the circle to like move when we're pressing space. We need to like perpetually move. Not exactly sure how to do that. This is where I probably will endorse the help of AI. So now I'm trying to get the player to shoot a bullet. I have a circle drawn, but I need the circle to move forward after I press space. And to stay drawn on the screen. Till it leaves the screen. Draw on screen so the user, so I don't have to hold space. Space down. Can you give me a hint or tell me what to look up to implement this? Yes, store the state of every bullet that's currently active on the screen. Class, I guess. Create an empty list to hold your bullets before the game starts. Or a list. Oh, a list is okay. Sire, event loop check for a pod game key down event. Happens on draw a circle instead. Add a new bullet object to your bullets list. Okay, so we need to manage, we need to store the state of every single bullet. So grab bullets list. Velo, check for a key down with a spacebar. Don't draw a circular state. You add new bullet object to your bullets list. So here, bullet stop append, pot games are wrecked apparently. Says it's the left top. I guess left stands for X. That's kind of confusing. So it should start at the top of the triangle. So I think top of triangle according to 0, and top of triangle according to 1. Then a width of, I don't know, 20 and a height of 20. So we're appending a rect object to this bullets list. All the bullets in every frame of your main while loop. You need to loop through your bullets list. Okay. For bullets, in bullets. Update the Y position to move it up the screen. So bullet is a rect. I'm trying to think of how to, so it was rect like an object or something. So can I go like bullet dot top plus equals to 1. Can also draw each new bullet by game. I'll draw. Can you do that? I don't think so. So, I mean, bullet is erect. When you draw onto the screen, color, red. It says erect. Oh. So that's where the rectangle goes here. Then remove the old bullets. Okay, if bullet dot top is greater than the screen height, or if bullet dot top is less than 0. If it's greater than the screen height, it's gone off the edge of the screen. If it's less than 0, then it's gone off the other side. If it has, remove from the list. Okay, yeah, how to remove from the list. I don't even know how to do this. Enter over copy. Use list comprehension for a new list. Iterate backwards. Use filter. So apparently you're not supposed to do this. You're supposed to do a copy of the list. The current bullet. I guess this is how it's supposed to be done. So enter over a copy of the list. Applying changes to the original one. Okay, so is there anything else we even need to do? Now let's see if it works. No, we didn't save. Oh, it does work. Oh, okay, adding, yeah, that's adding is down in Pygame. Okay, there we go. We have something moving. So now we're getting a constant stream of like bullets. They're moving pretty slow though, so you can fix that, and they're way too big. Let's do 5 and 5. So we need to do like 5 speed or something. Okay, we're getting a weird effect. because when I hold it down, yeah, we don't want this. I don't think we want to use get press. We want to use key down. How does Pi game? ISO. Okay, so if event type equal to Pi game dot key down, then if event key dot key equal to Pi game dot k underscore space. Then we do all of this. We need a, hopefully it still works, because it needs to be in here. I'm not sure this is going to work. Yeah, because top of triangle isn't set here. Trying to think of a solution for this. Should I just move this stuff up and then yeah, the top of triangle also move. I think it's pretty dependent on where the top of the triangle is actually at. Maybe we should just do this. Oh, this can't possibly be efficient. Running two different loops. Let's try moving these up here. Okay, something else is happening then. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, it's not saying it's not defined. That can't be a problem. Oh, this is not indented properly. That's the problem. What? How? Why isn't it? I don't get that. Do I have to do else if? I don't know why that'd be necessary. Still not working. Movement is still working. Front of my ship in my Space Invaders game. Oh, I gotta stop that. Sorry guys, just starting and stopping my time lapse because sometimes it can get corrupted. And showing up when I use pygame.keydown. It did work when I had used pygame.key.getPressed. Move the bullet and draw all the When does the key down fire and how many times per second? I mean, it fires when you press. You should create new bullets when you press the key. That might be a problem. The top of triangle not being there. I mean, I guess they should happen continuously. Right, because, or I don't know, the Space Invaders do that? It doesn't look like it. Looks like they can only shoot one time. Not like in a continuous string. I think that would be pretty broken, right? I feel like it should be one time. Okay, so it looks like there's some conflict between it says look up Pygame key down versus Pygame.key.get pressed. Well, yeah, I know the difference. Get pressed is continuous. When should you create new bullets when the key is pressed? That might be a problem, but yeah, I don't think top of triangle is available. But moving it outside of here. Oh wait. Yeah, it's gotta be inside the for loop. I'm using key down. No, top of triangle might not be available. But I can't use key down unless it's in an event loop. When should I calculate the bullet's starting position? Yeah, I have player X. I mean, I guess I would also need the player's Y position. Okay, I guess I don't need. Yeah, I guess we could do player underscore Y top or something. Height minus, I think it's 20 we have it set now. Oh my. Man, I'm not very good at using Vim. Oh, days. See, I guess that works technically. That did not work. What should happen in the key down event? I mean, the bullet should be drawn, right, when the key is down. In every frame. Oh, I don't think this is supposed to be in here. Oh yeah, because the screen is being filled right here. So it's just going on top of the bullet, right? Yeah, that was what was happening. Okay. And there we go, we can move and shoot. Holy cow. Wow, this is actually so cool. That's actually so cool. Damn. Yeah, I don't know, man. You can't convince me that game dev is 10 times better than web development. Web development's ass, but whatever. Okay, there we go. So now we have bullets. And bullets working. Alright guys, this video's been going on for like 50 minutes. I am continuously working on the Discord server. I'm trying to get some more stuff in there when I have time between school and this, but thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow.